All right, so this is pretty much the final step now. So what we're gonna do is we line it up. We wanna make sure that this is in, okay? We're gonna line up our holes. Basically, we come here, we come through the bottom. See, these are short, so we wouldn't use these because you need to be able to have it work. So I need to find the rivets. So basically the pop rivet works like this. You put the rivet into it so the head sticks out. Okay. I give it a little something so it holds. Okay. Now we just come through. Come through. And you see how that's flat? Everything's flat. Now we're just gonna pull it. Trying to get the angle. Here it is. So it pulls it in. And then usually the second one snaps. Oop, we'll go 3. Well, I don't have to pull it actually. Let's leave it there for now because we're going to adjust it. All right. Put the second one in. Bam. Okay. And then you could go back to the drill press and take these off. You probably also should have took this off before as well. But you know what? We're good. Life goes on. So you see how that doesn't fit through? You just go through, you pop the drill bit through on those two, it's set solid. Do the same thing again. Goes through easily. And then you would now come here and do a test fit. All right. So you're gonna come in, you're gonna drop it in. So these right here have the screws for it to clamp down. So this has everything that we need, and we literally just made this just by thinking. Okay. So now all you got to do here is attach this. I usually use like a magnet or something like that, but this doesn't matter any which way you do it, because no matter what, there's going to be a gap. You have to have a little bit of a gap here. So you retract the blade. All right. Usually you could put a magnet. I don't see my magnets. Here you go. Bam. All right, put a magnet on. You can go to your kitchen. Put this like that. Put you on there. Line it up like this. And you're good to go. And no matter what, this is pretty much going to be square because this is awesome. All right, so good luck, enjoy. And you could also start getting crazy too and mounting this sideways. All right, maybe you can cut the top of this and then you could set chamfers. I mean, get creative, guys. I was even thinking about 2 with this, now that these are plentiful. As crazy as it sounds. Using it like a Japanese plane.